Good morning. Today is my last day of my hemodialysis. So, yes, and today is a Saturday. See ya. Yes. So, on Monday, back to PD. IPD. So good luck. I hope it works. I don't know. It's very cold. I'm freezing. I'm really freezing. Hindi niyo ako nakikita. Yan. So, yeah. Let's go. Oh, my door is open. Okay. Wala dito si Larry eh. Naglaro sila ng golf. Let's go. Malamig pa rin dito. Really freezing. And next week marami akong appointment kasi may mga test akong gagawin. Test yung heart ko for the possible transplant. I hope soon. But it says 1 to 2 years. 1 to 2 years. That's it. That's what they said. So I'm going an echocardio and then test for TB, and then for the bone scan test also, and then I need my teeth done too. Yan, marami akong test gagawin. I'm driving now, so see you in a bit kay baka mahuli tayo. So today natapos ko yung sa echo ko, sa heart test at saka sa bone density, and also the blood test for TB. Yes, and that's the three tests I've done today for the possible transplant. I hope soon. Yeah, I mentioned that last time on my other video. And then by the way, I'm having orange. My potassium is low, so I need orange. Orange is very high in potassium. And then next week I'm going to do my scan test, and also for my teeth. Yeah, and tomorrow for the IV scan, just in case. I need to use this arm for my dialysis. And then I got appointment tomorrow also for my doctor for the renal one. So yeah, all good. And by the way, I'm back on APD. All good. The machine didn't make any noise. I hope so. Finger crossed. I hope it continue. Anyway, yun lang namang inaano ko eh. Worried eh. Yung machine kung hindi gagana. Hindi na ako dito nagda-dialysis. Dito na sa tiyan. That's every night. And yesterday, we just received the email from our agent that the visa is approved for my sister to coming here in Australia. So we booked her ticket already and she will be here soon. I'm so excited. 3 years already I haven't seen her. And personal, of course, but we always see on a video call, like in a messenger. And also my mom and dad, like 4 years already I haven't seen them. I miss them. I had no choice because of my visa. Hindi pa approve. Hindi nila inaprobahan nung nalaman nilang may sakit ko. Pero sabi nila, I don't know, sabi kasi nila na hindi naman nangyari sa Pinas bago ako pumunta dito. Kasi pumunta ako dito 2016, na found out yung kidney problem ko 2017, and then I'm just having my dialysis this year 2019. Yeah. Hindi ko pa alam ano mangyari, pero soon maano na namin yung hearing. Anong mangyari sa hearing ko. This month of August, very, very good. It's all good. So, yun lang ang story ko.
spot is looking at me. I think he noticed the dog. Yeah, that's what I said.